Today we are going to see how a PID controller works. So basically here few things are there. One is this set point, which is going to be the tank level, like how much we want to fill it. Then we have some values which are basically P, I and D, which is proportional gain, integral gain and derivative. And system disturbance, we will just take it as 0. And without wasting any time, I am going to start the simulation. So here you can see I have already started. Before starting, let's take a reset. So now our system is at 30%, which is by default I have taken as a 30%. Okay, so I have just started the simulation, and let's take this tank level as 44%. For example, we have to maintain this as I'm changing the tank set point. This is the actual set point, like how much we have to maintain. Based on the set point, you can see our tank level is fluctuating, and some values which are PI and D's, they are also fluctuating. So now after taking this level at 72%, if I make any changes, like for example I have increased the P, which is proportional gain, and I am decreasing the level. So you can see here how this tank level actually changing its value, like increasing or decreasing the pressure or whatever it is the value is. If I make this higher, I have taken 5 as a maximum. So now you see how fast it's working, and if I change it, and then again you will see like how it's affecting. It's like basic speed changes and proportional gain, which is. So now I am taking it as 1 and changing the integral gain, and there you will see like what will happen. You see, if I increase the integral gain, now then it's fluctuating. You see, if I increase it again and just do this, and you see it's fluctuating. See how fast it fluctuates. So this is the I basically, which means like which indicates how this fluctuation happens. As you see, it's now slower. I've taken 83 like this, you see. So this is how actually I works. Okay, now again I am keeping it constant as in 1 and changing the D, which is a derivative gain. So like this derivative gain actually works. You see, if derivative is higher, I have taken maximum as 2, and you can see here like how this is working. Here one graph is there. In this graph you can see how this graph is fluctuating, and it's trying to maintain the level. You see this D, here I'm increasing, and here if you go this graph like this, this is the set point here. This line is the set point, and to maintain the set point, how this value is fluctuating. This is the output actually. Okay, so this is how P, I and D works. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, and please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new in this channel, then subscribe the channel. And if you are willing to join our online training sessions, all details are available there. You can find out in this description, and you can join our online session as well. So